there and welcome. You tuned in at the right time, because the word on everyone's lips is hockey.
Kovalchuk controls the puck. Fires from the left. Detroit has it now. Robitaille shoots it. Marchment stops the shot. Robitaille skewers Grattan. Kovalchuk. That's icing. Caberlet shoots the puck. McCarty gets in the way. Schmelik stops the shot. Chatan jumps on the loose puck. Caberlet now has it. White shoots! Blocked. Breakaway! Heatley fires it! White. Chatan. Rhodes gets the blocker on it. The net comes loose and play is stopped. Karpa takes control of the puck. Schmelik takes it. Detroit takes possession. Lidstrom. Yager. He scoops it up. Fires! Rhodes slams the door shut. Yager shoots it quickly. Turned away by Rhodes.
He was the last line of defense, and boy, did he come through. And the puck did not.
And that's icing. Looks like the crowd's getting into the spirit of things. Lidstrom shoots. Blocked. Rhodes hangs on for the whistle. Grattan is really handy in the face-off circle.
And around the house. He rivals Bob Vila.
Really?
No.
Kovalchuk had his man more fooled than Don when we told him the sky was falling.
It is. It is falling.
Rhodes shuts the door.
Watching him play goal makes me wish I hadn't slept for all those 5 a.m. practices.
Grattan. Uh-oh, we've got a little altercation on the go.
And I don't think this one's going to be settled through arbitration.
He's got him hearing alarm bells.
But I don't know if he thinks it's time to get up yet.
Kovalchuk shoots the puck from the right. Joseph stoned him cold. Joseph made an unbelievable save. Smolinski will serve time for cross-checking.
Some penalties are good. Some penalties are bad. I don't know which that one was.
McCarty shoots the puck. Detroit corrals it. Robitaille. Yzerman corrals it. Yzerman has it. One time. Rhodes closes the door.
No way, no how.
Rhodes hangs on for the whistle. Nieuwendyk is a goal short of making the 500 career goal mark.
When he does make it, it will be a major accomplishment.
Detroit is watching in horror. One of their players can't get up. Tanguay looks like he's in too much pain to keep playing.
No sense pushing it. You don't want to make it worse than it already is, or you'll end up out of action longer than you want to be.
Prohaska shoots it! Stoned cold by Joseph!
Proving that denial is more than just a river in Egypt.
Lemieux now has the puck. Rhodes gets the wood on it.
He shot the puck, but he had no luck.
Canned food was invented 67 years before the can opener.
Tamer gets called for interference.
Jim, do you think I should grow a goatee?
No.
What about a soul patch? No. Van Dyke?
No, besides, what does that have to do with the penalty? Detroit with the power play.
Now would be a good time to score. Anytime now. Like now.
Relax. Grattan. Yager scoops up the loose puck. Lemieux grabs it. Detroit sees the clock run out on its power play. Chatan put the first period in the books. The Red Wings would really like the win here, Don.
Well, in a minute, we'll see what they're willing to do to get it. Jim, these teams have both done their homework on each other.
Neither team is letting the other one have an inch. Robitaille. Yager now has the puck. Robitaille gets it. Backhand shot. Grattan gets in the way. Tremblay. Kovalchuk gets the puck. Grattan grabbed it. It's one-on-one. Shoots! He missed! Kovalchuk grabs the puck. Fires it! He misses the net! Robitaille. Yager grabbed the puck. Detroit gobbles it up. Block. Yup. He scores!
Up and at him, Mr. Goalie.
Detroit is trying to get the fire going with that one.
Just remember not to use too much lighter fluid. I'm still trying to grow my eyebrows back ever since your barbecue last summer.
Grattan! Saved by Joseph!
And you can almost hear him saying, "Get that weak shot out of here."
Iserman. Solani now with the puck. Great save by Rhodes!
I'll bet even the other team's goalie appreciated that one.
Kovalchuk takes the puck. Shot the puck. Denied by Joseph.
Better luck next time, fellows.
Timonen with the puck. Solani taken out. Schmelik gets hold of the puck. Heatley. Lemieux stops the shot. Lemieux. Delayed call coming up. Schmelik is going off for cross-checking.
On the bright side, there's a lot more room to stretch out the penalty box. That bench is so squishy.
Detroit is up a man, and that spells trouble for the home team.
They'll need to dig deep to kill this penalty.
Karpa will get the gate for roughing.
No one wants to go to the penalty box, Jim, but he kind of has to.
Atlanta penalty to number 34.
Marchment takes control of the puck.
For roughing.
Robitaille. The door is shut by Rhodes. Schmelik leaves the box, but his team's still shorthanded by one player. Karpa leaves the box. That means his team is no longer shorthanded. It's one-on-one. Smolinski, hard shot from the right. Schmelik with the puck. Shot from the right. Joseph stones him cold. Heatley got the puck. Joseph turned the shot aside. Schmelik jumps on the loose puck. Nylander. He's off. Shoots the puck. Door slammed shut by Rhodes. Heatley. McCarty grabs the puck. He has his pocket pick. Taberley saved by Rhodes.
He has the saves that make the world go round and the puck stay out.
Rhodes hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Blocked. Marchment takes control of the puck. Dendino gets it. Kovalchuk now with it. It's one-on-one.
Through his legs and back onto his stick. Oh, look at Mr. Fancy Pants.
Yager grabbed the puck. Fires! Rhodes turned the shot away. Grattan stretches out to get by his man.
Why keep two hands on your stick when you don't have to, huh?
In the second period.
Scores!
Even the most jaded fans have got to love that diamond of a goal.
Detroit has got to feel good about doubling their lead there.
I expect the mood in the locker room to be anywhere from cautious optimism to overjoyed jubilation. It's hard to tell exactly what.
Tamer steals the pass.
There's the cool buzzer sample to tell us the first is over.
The Red Wings are playing a clean game.
Definitely, Jim, and it's helped them to get a tidy lead.
Don, it's time to get back to the game. You're not fooling anyone. I see you hiding behind that post.
Darn.
Robitaille. Yager shoots it. Delayed penalty coming up. Blocked. Rhodes denies him. Atlanta is in for a tough few minutes.
They need to break out the big bad book of defense. Chapter 1, penalty kill.
Grattan with the puck. Robitaille crushes Marchment. Kovalchuk. Lidstrom scoops up the loose puck. Long pass. Robitaille fires it. Saved by Rhodes. Kovalchuk. The Thrashers dump the puck in. Detroit with it now. Lidstrom. Robitaille shoots. Rhodes hits the post. Grattan gets the puck. Atlanta is relieved its player is out of the box and can concentrate on getting a goal instead of killing a penalty. Schmelik takes possession of the puck. Shoots it hard. Joseph turned the shot aside. Lemieux shoots it. Stoned by Rhodes.
This could be the start of something big.
Stefan pushed off the puck. Shatan gets a hold of it. Shatan shot quickly.
When he puts his mind to it, he can miss the net with the best of them.
Keatley. Yager grabs the puck. Kuba has it. Kuba cranks it. Rhodes stones him. This goalie's been quietly working his way towards a shutout.
He's getting a lot of help from his team, though, Jim. He hasn't faced many shots.
Kovalchuk got the puck. He gets rocked.
Oh, well, chalk that one up to experience.
Grattan. Timonen took the puck. Tremblay grabs it.
How come when I try that, I always end up falling in?
Scores!
Now that's quality entertainment. Eat your heart out, Hollywood.
Detroit left the barn door open on that play and paid for it.
I always paid for it when I left the barn door open. Cows all over the place, even in the barn.
Tremblay scoops up the loose puck. Kovalchuk got it.
With moves like that, he can win this game all by himself.
Keatley gets thrashed.
The last hit sent a message. Unfortunately, he was too busy getting hit to listen.
Robitaille shoots the puck. Stefan got it. Keatley takes it. Atlanta is pulling the goalie.
Hey, why not?
Rubbed off the puck. White grabbed it. Smolinski. Schmelik steals the pass. He takes possession of the puck. Fires! Joseph shuts the door.
Goaltending. Looks simple? Go ahead and try it.
In all alone. Nylander shoots. He puts it into the empty net.
The puck was yelling, "I'm upstairs." Too bad the goalie didn't listen.
Detroit has ensured itself victory now.
But they can't get careless. Believe me, when you get careless, mistakes happen. Sorry again about that whole pastry gun thing.
Rhodes will watch the rest of the game from the bench. McEachran. Lemieux. Shoots from the neutral zone. Empty netter. Spartvedet muscled off the puck.
Some hits serve as a warning, and other hits should come with a warning.
Yager.
And by number 31, Curtis Joseph.
Robitaille. Wrist shot. Saved by Rhodes.
Among his weapons of choice, glove, blocker, pad, and a can-do attitude.
Rhodes freezes the puck. The face-off goes to Detroit. Tremblay gets in the way, and so ends another chapter in the great book of hockey. Detroit has won it.
It all comes down to the fundamentals, Jim. They kept moving the puck around from man to man until they had the shot.